Hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is the you versus them current energy check-in. Please keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and this is just current energies. There's no timeline to this reading. Okay, want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box below for the same. You'll find the links for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. That is life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time now. You can trust me on that. Let's start, Taurus. What we have on your side, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Empress. So you are doing your own thing. Although you're doing your own thing, you're very busy in your creativity, your growth and expansion, your happiness. This is Taurus and Libra card only, the Empress, Venus sign. But you are very much interested in your own personal growth, happiness, your creativity. You are in touch with your feminine side as much as you can from your side, Taurus. At the same time, you are open to the idea of starting a brand new chapter in this direction in your relationship area. Maybe you are open for friendships, good people, good connections right now, but you are in this energy of not losing your independence for anything or anyone, no matter what, and doing what you love the most. Doing your own thing, being busy doing your own thing. Okay, let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now. We have the Two of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Sun card. So the energy attached to you is waiting for the time when everything is going to be fine and you guys are going to have very beautiful connection with each other. You guys are enjoying each other's company and having a good time with each other. So right now they are feeling like right now this connection is stuck, or this situation is on hold. Right now it's not the right time for this situation to become something really beautiful or to become stable. It's going to take some time. So this is somebody definitely waiting for the time when everything is going to be beautiful, when everything is going to be fine, when you guys are going to have a very beautiful connection between you and them in a very positive way. So it's like a waiting game going on from somebody's side, and you are moving on to the next chapter of your life. You are opening up to new things, new people, new situations, new connections. Meanwhile, somebody else is waiting for you to open up to them. Okay, so these are just current energies. Let's see for the connection what we have. What is the potential of this connection, where this is going right now? We have the Six of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Eight of Wands. See, this connection have this potential to go somewhere, Taurus. This connection between you and a specific energy that is waiting on you have the potential to become a very stable connection, to have a very beautiful relationship kind of a deal between you guys. If you guys can talk it out with each other with open and honest energy and let go of the past. Hmm? So this situation definitely have the potential to go somewhere in a beautiful direction, in a balanced kind of energy. But both of you guys have to come on the same page, and for that you guys have to talk to each other with a very open, honest energy, open, honest, and loyal kind of energy from both the sides. This is what you guys need to do for this connection to go in a positive direction in a beautiful way. It's like so it may be a no contact kind of energy, or one of you is not ready for an offer that the other person is ready to offer you. So if you guys can manage to come on the same page somehow, this relationship, this connection between you and a specific person have a great potential to become something really beautiful in the coming future, maybe converting into commitment or long term partnership or as well down the line. So this has the potential. Now it's up to you if you want to do this or not, completely your choice. But again, this situation have the potential to become something beautiful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.